Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to set the screen color back to normal on your Android phone. So a lot of times this happens because you accidentally turn on the accessibility options. So if we just go on down from the top, go to settings right here. We want to go through accessibility. So let's scroll through here. We can stop at display and sound and see if anything is off on here. Like we have vivid mode for the screen color, natural, the white balance, left or right here. We can just turn this on and just check this out. Maybe you have some sort of eye comfort shield on too that's causing like a red kind of screen on. So you can just check that out too if you have that. So I have eye comfort shield right here, or it could be called night mode or night shift or something like that. But once you're done with display, just scroll on down, and we're looking for accessibility, and this is probably what's causing the issue for you. Go to accessibility right here. Going down. Now you might see like color and motion or something like that. Maybe vision enhancements on my Samsung. Then we can go down. We got color correction. This is probably what's doing it. So you can see I have the grayscale on. So you might have one of these eye deficiency settings on, just like that, and it'll increase the sensitivity for this or not. So you can look at that. Then we got color filter. This might be on too. So if it looks weird like this, it could be blue, crayon, spring green, orange, or red. So if you want to, add a red tint on here to reduce blue light, you could do that too, just through here, if you don't have some sort of blue light filter on your phone. So look at that too. Reduce transparency and blur, extra dim. So we turn this on, doesn't really dim it too much, but here's the intensity. We can go all the way down. But look at that as an option just between display and vision enhancements, motion, etc. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.